as Kenyans we must rally behind one of our own. Lazima tuache tofauti zetu na vitina zetu za nyumbani. We support one of our own. Raila is one of our own and is competing internationally. We must support him. Hata ukipata Faith Kipyegon ni mchawi, lakini wakati anakimbia huko nje Olympics, I'm just giving an example. Tunasahau uchawi yake, we support her, so that aweke jina ya Kenya kwa map. So Kenyans, please let us rally behind Raila Amolo Odinga, so that, because Raila has got a good vision for Africa, a vision of economic transformation, continental integration, mambo ya youth na mambo ingine. So wewe kama unapigana na Raila, unamtusi kwa mitandao, unamuita conman, unamuita nini, that is useless. Ile kitu Raila anatafuta outside Kenya, it is international. Na kupigana na Raila ni kama kutingisha hii miti. Umesimama hapo umeitingisha, unafikiri hii miti inatingika, kumbe it is your small buttocks that are shaking. Mambo ya Raila nimemaliza. Nimesikia watu wameongea hapa mambo ya abduction na lazima niseme kidogo. 60 young people were abducted on the streets and murdered. 60 young people. 60 young people were abducted on our streets and murdered. And one day, one time, somebody will account for each of those young people who are abducted and murdered from the streets of Nairobi. Somebody will account for them one day. Kuna mtu atakuja kwa account. Hao ambao wana support Ruto hapa, mimi sina shida nao. I don't have any problem with them. Because kule mimi natoka Western, tunaelewa ng'ombe iwezi kufa na maziwa, lazima ikamuliwe. And that is, kama uko na shida na watu wana support serikali hapa, then wewe ni mjinga. Me, I understand what they are doing. Wanakamua ng'ombe, uwezi zika ndovu na pembe. Wao unaelewa thamana ya pembe ya ndovu? Uwezi zika ndovu ikiwa na pembe. So my brothers, wanakamua ng'ombe, wanajua hii ng'ombe na after all inakufa. Hii lazima itakufa. Because majority of Kenyans, hata hapa tu, majority are against Ruto. Those who support him are the minority. And if you want to find somebody supporting Ruto, itakuwa ngumu kumpata mahali pengine. Kuja Jivanju utampa. The only place where you will find somebody supporting Ruto. But majority of Kenyans are not supporting Ruto because of his draconian, hopeless and oppressive policies. Policies that are retrogressive to this nation. Policies like SHA. Policies like affordable housing. Those who are in formal employment, payslip yao half of it inaenda kwa taxes. Paka mtu amehama kutoka kwa 2 bedroom amerudi bed sitter. 3 million people who are in formal employment. Half of their payslips goes to taxes. 3 million people. Na wewe bado una analyze mambo ya makabila hapa. Bado una analyze makabila. I'm telling you, the 2027 presidential election will not be about tribes. And if you think it will be about tribes, what does Orengo say today? James Orengo has said Ruto will go in 2027 whether he likes. Has said the ODM Secretary General. Now watu ndio wanaongea kitu iko kwa mind ya baba. Those are the people who speak what is in Baba's mind. Edwin Sifuna, the Secretary General, James Orengo. They have no time with Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Because William Samoei Ruto has failed this nation. He has totally failed. He has lied to Kenyans and he has totally failed, and there is nothing he will do. Kenyans have become poorer than they were before Ruto came to power. People have become beggars. People are committing suicide. People have lost jobs. People are continuing to be deprived of their livelihood because of Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Ruto is the only problem. President Ruto has totally failed. Thank you.
Thank you very much.